Here I have VIVAX Point X503, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to enter system section, languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyboard, and here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type on this device. As you can see, it's pretty enormous. Let's select, for example, maybe Greek language, and then tap done. And now let's try write something down in the Greek language. And as you can see, now I have Greek keyboard on my device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.